friends, in this video we are going to discuss a reasoning topic, direction sense test. It is a very important topic and I know it is somehow an easy and moderate topic, but most of the students find difficulty by solving the problem related to direction test. I know this, we all know about the direction, like this is north, south, southeast, southwest, east, west, northwest and northeast. These are the notation regarding this: NE, NW, SW, NSE, NSW, E. So these are my 8 directions. So while solving these numericals, we have to follow a major point. Like whenever the direction is given, like a man facing towards south or north and is moving in east and south, what we have to do is imagine yourself at that point. Like if I am say a man standing and facing towards south, means imagine yourself at this point and facing in this direction. And if I would say that you are going in right direction, that means you are facing south, and according to your right, now you will move to in west direction. Always imagine yourself in that point. It's a main and basic point which will help you to solve these type of numerical always correct. So there is no trick, there is no oh. Let's discuss few numericals which help you to understand this trick or the basic concept regarding direction sense test. So I'm going to rub this, and this form is means, suppose I have a question like a man facing west, man facing west. After that, he turned 45 degree in clockwise direction. 45 degree, it's my first and it's my second point. 45 degree in clockwise direction. And after that, he take 180 degree in the same direction, means 180 degree in clockwise, means he will going to take 225 in same direction. So and after that he would go 270 degree in anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. So my question is, after doing this, in which direction is he facing now? So what is our basic point is, imagine yourself at that point. Means a man facing west, means I am standing here and I am facing in this direction. Means here I am at this point and facing in this direction. He says he goes in 45 degree in clockwise direction, means he goes to this point. 45 degree is this, and he goes to this point, and after that he goes 180 degree in clockwise direction, means this is my clockwise direction and this is my anti-clockwise direction. It's clockwise and it is my anti-clockwise. Okay, he is now here, and after that he takes 180 in clockwise, means 45, 90, 135, and here is 180. Now he is facing southeast direction. After that he takes 270 degree in anti-clockwise, means 45, 90, 135, 180 and 225, and after that 270. Now he is facing southwest direction. So my answer is my southwest. Southwest. It's a basic question. All you have to do, draw this and imagine yourself at that point. So let's discuss another type of direction test problem. My question is, one day Ravi left home and cycled 10 kilometers southward. Means imagine yourself at this point, and after that doing like, if he is moving in southward, imagine that you are moving in southward direction. Imagine your hand right and left, and according to that, move in that direction. Whenever according to the question, is he saying that you are going in left direction, means according to your left hand, take the left. So in my next question, there is a boy, Ravi, left home and cycled 10 kilometers in southward. Means 10 kilometers southward. After that, he turned right and cycled 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers. After traveling 10 kilometers, he right, turned right and take 5 kilometers. Travel 5 kilometers after turn right. Sorry, I can write it like this. He is traveling 10 kilometers in southward direction. After that, he take turn right and travel 5 kilometers. It is like algorithm, if I say. And after that, he take another right turn and cycle 10 kilometers. Means after this, turn right again and travel 10 kilometers, and after that he turn left and cycle 10 kilometers. He turn left and cycle 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers. How many kilometers? I have to find how many kilometers will he have to cycle to reach his home straight. So I have to find the final destination, find the difference between final destination and the initial destination. Suppose I am at this point. Okay, here I can take it as x. So according to this, he is saying that he moves to 10 kilometers southward direction. Means I would travel in this direction, like this. After that, when I am facing south direction, means my right hand is in this form and left hand is this form. Okay, when I am moving in southward direction, and when I am moving in northward, means my right hand is in my right way and is in left. So now he take right turn and move 5 kilometers. Means this is 10 and now this is my 5. After that he turn right and travel 10 kilometers. Means after, now when he is facing this direction, my right hand will be in this direction and left hand in this. After traveling 10 kilometers, he take left and travel. When I am in this direction, my northward direction, my left hand is in this way and right hand in this way, and take 10 kilometers. So I have to find the difference between initial destination and final destination. So it is like opposite sides are equal and it is like a rectangle. So I can draw a dotted line like this. Opposite sides are equal means it is 5. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So my answer would be, suppose it's my final destination, so my answer would be this total sum. So answer is 10 plus 5, 15 kilometers. My answer would be 15 kilometers. It is also another type of direction sense test. So let's discuss. All we need to follow this diagram and two steps only. First is this diagram, and second is imagine yourself at that point. In question, always imagine yourself. so that you can mark the question always correct. Okay, in my next question, we are having a girl, Swati. She moved a distance of 75 meter toward north. Means north 75 meter. Okay, I'm writing an algorithm. After that, she turned left and walked 25 meter. Means left and 25 meter. And after that, he turned left again and walked 80 meter. Mean left again and turn and walk 80 meter. And finally, she turned to right at angle of 45 degree. Means right turn at 45 degree. So in which direction was he moving finally? Was she moving finally? So what we have to do, take a reference point, suppose it is B. Okay, according to question, she moves in north direction and travels 75 kilometer, means 75 meter, means in north direction. Arrow, use arrow to make it simpler, like where is my starting point and where is my ending point. So she moves in this direction 75 meter. I write it 75. After that, she takes left and travel 25 meter. 25 meter. Okay, and when I'm moving in this direction, my left would be in this and right would be in this. And after that, she travels 80 meters. After taking left, she traveled 80 meters. So like I'm going to cross B point like this, and my distance is 80 meter. My arrow like this. After that, from this point, she is moving 45 degree right. Means like if I am drawing a quadrant like this, in this we are having the four quadrant like first, second, third, fourth. It's a basic graph pattern. I mean after this I am taking, when I am facing in this direction, my right in this way and left in this way. Take a dotted line and imagine like it's my 90 degree. It's my 90 degree and this is my 45 degree. It's my 45 degree and she is now in this direction. So I have to tell what is my answer, in which direction she is. So according to this, if I am going to follow this, my direction will be southwest. Southwest. So my answer is southwest. It's quite simple when you take this diagram, when you are going to take the help of this diagram and clockwise, anti-clockwise arrows, and imagine yourself at that point. Okay, that's all about direction sense test. In this we discuss about concept, we discuss about numerical, and after watching this video I am pretty sure that you would able to solve question related to direction sense test. So for more videos, subscribe our channel.